Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add music in a video here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding music to your video project here in Adobe Express is a straightforward process that can enhance the overall impact of your content. Now, once you are logged in here, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, this is going to be the perfect opportunity for you to browse the thousands of inspiring templates that you can start adding music to the video that you wanted. Or if you want to start from scratch, just click on this button right here to upload your own content. Now, I'm going to start with this design that I have been working. You see, this doesn't have any music, right? Or any audio for that matter. It only has like an element and of course the video as the background image. For me to be able to do that, all we have to do is go to the media option on the left side panel of your dashboard. Click that. There should be an option for the audio. Now, on the audio, you can upload from your device if you have a specific music that you wanted to put here. Especially if you're a composer, a musician, you can add your own music here, right? If you want to record voiceover as maybe you want to sing inside the presentation, you can also do that. If you click it, it would ask you to allow the microphone to be part of the Adobe Express. But if you want, and you don't want to allow permission to record a voiceover as a music, added music here, just go to the section wherein these are some of the sound effects that you can choose from. For example, keyboard, bird spark. But remember that any watermark that has a premium on it means you cannot use this element if you don't have the premium subscription. All right, you can just have to skip that and use any of the free musics here, like for example the acoustic. If you click that, you also have the option to play it, to decrease the volume or to bump it up to 100%. You also have the option to fade in the music and fade out, and you can extend the duration for, like, say, from 2 seconds to 4 seconds. All right, so click that and make sure that your design looks perfectly well. If you are happy with this, you might want to go to the upper right corner and click the download button, where you can download all of these, including the music to this video design, by clicking the MP4, click that, or if you want to share this amazing design to your client or to your boss, just copy that link. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.